Okay, welcome back to part two. What a frustrating day so far. So I went to Lowe's this morning, trying to get this damn base plate done, and got one of the 22 caliber, rifle cartridge deals, and that would not drive a nail into that concrete either. So I went back and revisited the Tapcon route, the Tapcon route with the special, screws and drill bits, and that ended up being the game changer, and that's what got it done. So check this out. So you see the base plate is in place. I've got one Tapcon screw all the way in, and the rest of them are started. I just finished drilling all of those holes into that concrete, and that should be plenty of screws. It's probably overkill, but I bought all this crap. I'm going to use it. Had to buy a hammer drill, which I did not have. Which hammer drill is pretty much required for the Tapcon drill bits for masonry. So anyway, there they all are, and I'll get these driven in here, and we'll get to move on to the other fun stuff, getting this upright beam in and everything else. And I'll try to get some video of that actually happening instead of you just getting bits and pieces of what just happened. So stay tuned for more. Okay, with the Tapcon screws, like I said, I pre-drilled a bunch of pilot holes in this concrete foundation, and then lined everything up, which is of course is always a pain. And now we're just going to get these things driven in. So I'll get a couple of these here while y'all are paying attention. They say use this on the drill function for your drill, not the okay. Time for new battery. Stand by. Okay, let's give this another shot here. We keep the camera from falling over. Look at that, she broke right off. Oh my God. Yep, interesting. All right, that's how it's been going. Well, here we are. After much cussing and struggling and two broken screws, which I am not going to try to get out of there and replace, the stupid base plate is in. Anyway, now on to hopefully making better progress. There you have it. That looks a lot better. I got the 4x4 out of the way. I got the center post, because I've got the center post in place, the new center post. Now, some angle bracing quickly, some horizontal bracing for siding, and then I'm hoping to get that section right there of top plate out, so I can put new top plate in, and then I can start siding this half of the barn. Stay tuned. Okay, so finally I have a cameraman on duty, and I'm going to go ahead and make these two cuts in this upper plate, this cross beam here. Then my intent is to go ahead and lift it out. That side's cut. Okay, gonna make the second cut now. Once I make this cut, this top plate should be free to be lifted off somehow. I gotta see how heavy it is. Okay, here we go. Both ends are cut. It should be free to pick up. Gotta wait so I don't smash the chicken. Chicken, move! Hey! Here we go. Hopefully not too heavy. And here we go. Wow. Okay, now I'll build another top plate, put that in right here, and we'll get moving on with the siding. So here we're putting in some screws. I'm going to put a little scab board on the side of that vertical post just to make sure it's strong. And what I'm doing is I'm putting my hand behind the board so I can just feel that screw start to poke out. So when I put it up against the vertical post, I've got this board marked, so I'm only putting screws in. If you look up here where we've got solid wood, so I want this to be part of helping support that new cross beam. So we'll just keep moving along here. Got a few more to go here, then we'll get it put up. Right now I'm lining up this bracket to be in the same spot it was before. Just with a little extra structural support with that new 2x6 installed. Okay. All right, so that just leaves the beam that we need to put across and a couple of horizontal members, and it'll be good to put on the siding. Okay, I think we're done for the day. Got the this upright over here strengthened up a little bit, some rot there, but I want to be able to make sure it supported that cross member. Got the diagonal brace in. We got the base plate in. Got the vertical post in on this side. Everything's plumb so far. And then tomorrow I will make a beam out of two 2x6s that will span this first. Let me back up a little bit here for you. It will span that, and then I'll put a couple little horizontal braces in for siding, and we'll get after the siding. I don't know what the weather is tomorrow, but anyway, we'll keep going here. Thanks for watching. This is part 2 and the end of part 2.